Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible way B, even though it did take out the previous highs. Now that it passed the 105 area, I would actually be targeting the 123, which is above the 180. So I really don't think that it's a good idea to be looking for shorts right now on sort of time frames. I mean, it definitely could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. We could be in a wave five right now, but like I said, there's no reason to think it's over. And the next, big area of resistance for me is actually the 123, which is way up there. Still quite a ways up. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. I mean, unfortunately, the strategy is to continue to look for longs. If you're not already long, then the strategy is to be patiently waiting for some pullbacks like this, or like this, or like this to go long. Even if it does break structure on the 1 hour time frame down, it really doesn't tell me that this trend is over, especially with the daily time frame, next area of resistance being around 180. So definitely still recommending longs on all the yen pairs, even though there is a really big gap down here. This gap could take a long time to fill. It doesn't have to fill anytime recently. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.